Hi everyone! So today's video is gonna be a little bit more on the holiday side. We're going to dye some Easter eggs, but we're gonna do them a little bit different than the vinegar and water and whatever method that you use. We're gonna do ours with shaving cream and food coloring. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some hard-boiled eggs. I did these this morning. If you're planning on eating these after, I wouldn't use the shaving cream. I would use the whipped cream method, which there is a tutorial online for that, but we're not gonna eat ours. Jordan doesn't like them, and I don't think I'll eat 6 within the time they need to be eaten. So you're gonna need your hard-boiled eggs, and you're gonna need your shaving cream. You're gonna need your food coloring. And then if you have any, some gloves would be great because your hands are gonna get a little bit dirty and colorful. You're gonna need some toothpicks, and that's to make the swirl effect. And then you're gonna need some sort of tray with sides on it, essentially, so when you put the shaving cream on it, it doesn't go everywhere. And then some paper towels or something when these are done sitting that you can wipe them off and show what they look like. So these take about, once we kind of roll them in and get them going, these take probably like, the longer you leave them, the more vibrant the colors are. We're gonna leave them for like 15-20 minutes and then wipe them off. And they say like max if you're gonna eat them after is leave them out for a half hour. We're not gonna eat them, so we don't really have to worry about that. So we're gonna get to doing this and show you guys what it looks like afterward. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your shaving cream and you're gonna put a layer of shaving cream on this. I grabbed a spatula just because it'll flatten it out a little bit. So we're just gonna So we flattened it all out like that. And then you can pick your area or you can like just put them everywhere. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your toothpicks and kind of just start like dragging it everywhere.
Okay.
So it makes like a marbling effect. All right, glove time.
Thanks.
This gets messy.
Messy.
Take our eggs and we're just gonna roll them in there. So we're gonna let those dry. Well, not dry fully, but
what does it say, 15 minutes?
15-ish minutes. We're gonna let those just kind of soak
Those
in.
ones might get a little double dip there.
Whatever. Now we're gonna wipe them off and see how they look. So these are finished eggs. Jordan's are the blue and green. Mine are the pink, blue, and purple. They turned out really good. Super easy to do if you don't have like Easter egg dye at home. You can just do this instead if you want to dye eggs with your kids. So all in all, I would call this a success. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.